Hello everyone, Neo Rush here, and I just woke up uh, about 25 minutes ago, uh, and the reason I'm making this video is because I finally received what I believe to be my new phone. I ordered it Tuesday last week. Oops. I was supposed to get it on I was supposed to get it on Tuesday this week, but I just got it Friday today. And the reason I'm wearing this cool Majora's Mask hat is because I have a bad head and I didn't feel like doing my hair before I make this video. So this is just gonna be an unbox video, like my Animal Crossing Switch, which you can see right here, right here. Oh, the Joy-Con are not on the Switch, but still. So I'm not like one of those huge tech YouTuber. I just saw that when I wanted to. I say that, but I actually wanted to check what phone came out because I got my iPhone 10, which is right here. I was actually late to the party. I got it on February 16, 2019. So it was already almost a year and a half old at this point, and while it is a really good phone, and I'm definitely not gonna get rid of it right now, I realize I'm more of an Android guy. Even though I recording this from my MacBook and I have an iPad, I have an iPad somewhere in my room and a broken iPod Touch. I'm still more of an Android guy when it comes to phones. So I looked. I was interested by the LG G8 dual screen, but as soon as I was about to order it, I saw the LG the LG V60 Thinq 5G. I think it's 5G dual screen. But when I ordered it, I also got some free, tone-free headphones. I only noticed the free headphones after I ordered it. So I didn't order the phone because of the free headphones. So I've never used this kind of this kind of true wireless headphone. I have the if you watch me stream, the headphone I usually have are Bluetooth, but not true wireless. I can convert them into wired headphone, which I do when I play on my Nintendo Switch, PS Vita, or 3DS. So it comes with this cool little box and this cool little plastic thing. I'm not gonna I'm probably gonna have to charge them, so I'm definitely not going to test them on this video. This is just an unbox video. It's not like a test, but I will try them. Oh, they work actually. They made a sound when I put them in my ear. However, they are a little bit too big for me. I'm probably just not wearing them correctly, but we'll see about that later. There's also there's a little box that says accessories, so let's see what's. Oh, of course. Charging cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C. You know, I'm not a tech guy, but I know some of these expressions. Okay, it comes with some other here stuff. I'm gonna have to check which one is the most comfortable. So far, they are a little bit too big. So just so you know, I didn't actually pay for the phone yet. It's one of those, oh, don't pay for the phone right now, and you pay it off while you pay your contract every month. So I paid for I pay for the taxes. I only paid like $160 Canadian, but yeah, over the course of 24 months, I will pay for it. It was actually pretty cheap compared to other. Oh god, the box is heavy. And here's the TELUS SIM card. This box is really heavy because it comes with the phone itself and the dual screen accessory. So as you can see, there's this little cardboard thing that covers both boxes. So here's the dual screen, LG dual screen. Oh, there's a little tape here. Well, let's check the dual screen first. I know most people who do unboxing or review of this phone usually do the phone first. So I'm gonna like my top 10 top 3 video game of last decade, of each year of last decade. I'm doing it a bit differently. I'm taking out the accessory first. Oh my! I knew the phone would be big, but I didn't. I knew from the review and the fact that it's a 6.8 screen display. I knew it would be big, but I didn't expect it to be this big. This is massive. I've seen, like, there are some tablets that are almost as big as this. Well, the smaller ones, at least. I'm gonna check if I can compare with my tablet, not the iPad, but I have a smaller tablet. I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually found all 3 of my tablets because for some reason I didn't remember where I put them, but I found them within 30 seconds and they were all at the same place. So I'm gonna open this first. I'm gonna be... I like this display here. So here's the little adapter, so I can charge it even when it's in this. So imagine with the phone here, 2 6.8 inch displays. Now this is an iPad 9.7 inch, I believe. So pretty similar in size. This is a Galaxy. Nope. This is a Galaxy Tab E 8-inch screen. As you can see, the screen itself is actually bigger. Well, when you combine both screens. And this is a cheap Insignia Windows tablet I got like 4 years ago at this point. It's 7 point something inch, and as you can see, this is way bigger. Well, it's I think this is still thicker. The Insignia tablet is still thicker, but anyway. So it's pretty cool. Now, for the main event, if we can call it that, the phone itself. So I'm still gonna have to cut this open. I'm gonna use the SIM card. I don't have a knife. Well, I do, but I'd have to go upstairs. And there's 2 living rooms in this house, and I have the one in the basement for myself. And I have to go back now to the kitchen, and since I'm not a tech YouTuber that opens all sorts of boxes every day, I don't have a knife specifically for that. So I'm gonna take out some of this stuff, which I'm gonna keep, but like not right now. Not on this table, actually. Oh my god, the phone itself is heavy, and to be honest, I like it. I'm not a fan of small stuff, so that's why like if I have the option to get like a regular size phone or the XL or Plus phone, I will definitely take the Plus. Like my first time I had this option was the first Google Pixel. I took the XL. I didn't want the small one. Sorry, I'm not sick, whatever, but I always have something stuck in my throat, so that's why I cough. It's actually not because it's just because I want to like make it get unstuck. Oh my god, this phone is massive. I know this is not the biggest phone. I've seen a phone with 7.1 inch screen. I think on Unbox Therapies, one of Unbox Therapy's recent videos, but this is what the phone looks like. And this is with the dual screen. So it's like that. And this is what the phone looks when it's in the case. So apparently it's shock resistant. So I'm guessing this this screen, it's already getting my fingerprints. So I'm guessing the screen might shatter if I drop it, but apparently the rest of the phone will be safe if I drop it. Obviously I'm not gonna make the test. And from what I've heard, it's actually pretty hard to put a screen protector because it might make the phone harder to close. I may have to check it out. I'm going to try to find if there's any way to protect this, because even though it might be shock resistant, I don't want it to scratch or shatter. Anyway, as I said, this is just an unbox video. It's not like a test video, because you've seen plenty of tests already. If you're interested with this phone, you've already seen many videos. I have, actually. While I was waiting for this phone, I checked at least 20 review and comparison videos. So, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.